Imagine for a moment that your brain is akin to a muscle. This is not merely a metaphor, but a tangible truth. Whatever you use the most, indeed, grows stronger and more defined. Now, consider the concept of mindfulness, a practice that might sound simplistic, but holds profound implications. It possesses the astounding capability to rewire your brain. This is not a feat of magic, but the wonder of neuroscience in action. Let us delve into the fascinating science behind this claim. Mindfulness, by definition, involves maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment. It is a form of meditation that encourages an open and curious attitude while anchoring our attention to the present moment. As we practice mindfulness, we engage in what is known as neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This is the very foundation of learning and adaptation. Recent studies have unveiled that consistent mindfulness practice can lead to significant structural changes in the brain. One notable area affected is the amygdala, often dubbed the brain's stress center. The amygdala is responsible for processing threats and triggering emotional responses such as fear and anxiety. With regular mindfulness practice, the size of the amygdala decreases. This reduction correlates with reduced stress levels, demonstrating that mindfulness doesn't just affect our subjective experience of stress, but physically alters the brain's stress circuitry. On the other hand, mindfulness fortifies regions of the brain associated with memory and executive function. The prefrontal cortex, which governs decision-making, focus, and impulse control, grows denser and more efficient. Additionally, the hippocampus, crucial for memory and learning, shows increased activity and volume in individuals who consistently engage in mindfulness practices. This means that mindfulness does not only relieve stress, but also enhances cognitive performance, possibly improving memory retention and problem-solving skills. Consider, too, the implications for emotional regulation and overall happiness. Mindfulness strengthens the brain's ability to regulate emotions through increased connectivity between the prefrontal cortex and amygdala. When faced with emotional stimuli, a mindful individual shows enhanced emotional control, allowing more thoughtful responses rather than impulsive reactions. As this becomes a habit, a person naturally experiences a more stable and elevated mood, promoting a general feeling of well-being and happiness. But how does one embark on such a transformative journey? Mindfulness can be cultivated through various techniques such as focused breathing, body scans, or mindful walking. These practices require patience and regularity to yield benefits. Starting with just a few minutes each day and gradually increasing the duration can be a practical approach. It is important to remember that the goal is not to eliminate thoughts, but to observe them without judgment, returning to the present moment whenever the mind begins to wander. Furthermore, the accessibility of mindfulness is another of its virtues. It demands no special equipment or location, offering an egalitarian path to mental fitness. Be it a quiet corner of your home or during a leisurely walk, opportunities for mindfulness are omnipresent. In conclusion, training your brain for a better life is more than a possibility. It is a scientifically endorsed reality. Mindfulness serves as a powerful tool, shrinking areas of the brain associated with stress, enhancing those linked to memory, and fostering a happier and healthier mind. It stands as a testament to the brain's incredible capacity for change. By investing time in mindfulness practices, you pave the way for a more resilient, focused, and joyful life. As you step towards this enlightening journey, remember that each mindful moment contributes to the evolution of your brain, sculpting it to serve you more fully in all aspects of life. So take a deep breath and embrace the transformative power of mindfulness. Your brain, much like a muscle, is ready to grow stronger with each mindful step you take.